Guys, so I am filming a IPSY unboxing. I've never tried IPSY before. I wanted to try this makeup brand out and see how I like them. So it comes in this really cute padded envelope. So we're just going to open her up and see what's inside. So I guess IPSY has different bags for each month. So that's really cool. Ooh, okay. So the first thing I'm seeing is an age control multi-vita face mask. I'm sorry for the lighting. I don't know if I should, oh my God. I need a tripod, guys. Like, if you guys know of a good tripod, please let me know. Let me see if I can put my light behind me. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, then. I'm seeing if that is good or bad lighting. Turn down the brightness a little. Okay. I don't know what to do. But this is a face mask. Maybe if I film like right over here, the lighting's a little bit better. But this looks really cool. So here's all your info on the back. And it looks like it's all in Chinese, so I can't read that. But that looks really, really cool. I need to start wearing face masks a lot more because my face is just, it needs it. And it looks like we have a brush. That's awesome. Looks like an angled brush. Oh, it's a concealer perfecting brush. And this is the brand. So this is for like your concealer. And it fits perfectly under the eyes too. Wow. So that's awesome. I've been needing a concealer brush, so that's awesome. But now let's get on to the fun part, which is the bag. So this is the April IPSY bag. It's so cute with the cute little design on it. So the first item looks like a card. So this is the card. So that's cool. So the first thing I'm going to be pulling out is a Smooth as Silk hand and body scrub. Ooh. I've been needing one of these. So this goes for, the price of this is $20. The reading's so small I can't read that, so there you go. But this looks really cool, so I'm excited to try this out because my hands get really dry because I wash dishes every single day, so that's really cool. Ooh, what is this? This is Belle in Argent, picturing Seekly. Ooh, excuse me. And this is a nail polish, and I love nail polishes. I've just recently been doing my nails, so I'm very excited to see what this nail polish is. Ooh, this is a gorgeous color. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's a perfect like summer spring color. And that's the name of it, if you guys can see that. Sorry if it's upside down. But that's the color. It's so pretty. I love it. I cannot wait to use that for my next nail thing. Okay, and this nail polish, I can't even read the words, so I'm not even gonna bother. And the last thing in here is a IPSY, what is this? IPSY lip balm. Oh, it's a shea butter lip balm in natural rose. So that's pretty. Let me unpackage it. You can kind of see it right there. I want to do a swatch of it. So well, I can't open it, so there you go. So that was everything in my April IPSY bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are subscribed to IPSY, let me know in the comments. I will have all my social medias down there as well. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you guys can support my channel. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.